Welcome to the show. Today we dive into a bold question. What happens when ChatGPT meets medical information extraction? The study tests 4 MedIE tasks across 6 datasets, measuring performance, explainability, confidence, faithfulness, and uncertainty. They push the AI to read clinical notes, pick out medications, doses, diagnoses, and events, and then explain how it did it. The bottom line, ChatGPT's scores lag behind the fine-tuned baselines. It learns quickly, but specialized models still win on accuracy. But the paper doesn't stop there. ChatGPT can provide high-quality explanations for its decisions, almost like a medical consultant walking you through their thought process. Yet it is often overconfident, sometimes presenting certainty even when the evidence is shaky. The authors also find that ChatGPT demonstrates a high level of faithfulness to the original text in the majority of cases, meaning it tends to echo what was written rather than inventing new facts. However, the uncertainty in generation propagates into the extraction results, which can complicate decisions in real clinical settings. MedIE tasks are like a doctor asking a helper to read a patient chart and assemble a precise grocery list. What meds, what doses, what problems, and what follows. The 6 datasets cover different styles of notes and reporting, testing robustness across domains. The paper also investigates confidence, prompt style, and how much the model relies on the prompt itself versus the data behind it. COT, or chain of thought, can produce useful explanations, but in medicine we cannot trust a hazy reasoning trail without checks. The good news is that the model often stays faithful to the text, so it doesn't wander into wild hallucinations. What does this mean for building medical AI? Use ChatGPT as a navigator, not a sole extractor. Combine it with domain-tuned systems, rule-based checks, and retrieval-augmented generation. Provide explicit confidence scores, allow human review, and evaluate with medically meaningful metrics. And remember, a tool that explains its reasoning is powerful, but it must be used responsibly. The future of AI in medicine lies in collaboration, not replacement. We're talking about hybrids that read, explain, and defer to humans when doubt rises. If you want deeper insights, read the paper, follow the channel, and share your ideas on how to harmonize LLMs with clinical NLP in practice.